Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of ultimate convenience with the Cooper Desk Pro, a leather height adjustable laptop table that's perfect for any setting. This multifunctional lap desk is designed to enhance your work and study experience, whether you're using it as a laptop tray for bed, a writing desk, or a breakfast in bed tray. With its adjustable height ranging from 10 to 15 inches and a swivel capability of up to 36 degrees, this desk adapts to your needs, making it ideal for sitting on the floor or lounging on the couch. Its extra-large surface of 23.6 by 17.7 inches accommodates any laptop with ease, and at just 7.7 pounds, it's a portable powerhouse that can support up to 88 pounds. Crafted with a luxurious leather surface, it features a tablet stand, storage drawer, and ergonomic edges, all supported by a sturdy aluminum metal frame and legs. Since 2012, Cooper Cases has been dedicated to creating original designs that meet the evolving needs of modern tech users, and this desk is no exception. So, if you're looking for a versatile and stylish solution to elevate your workspace, the Cooper Desk Pro is your go-to choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.